What's up, y'all? Got something very exciting for y'all today and tomorrow. It's gonna take us 2 days, but here's some of the setup. We about to hit the river, man. It's gonna be cool, man. Y'all stay tuned. There is a river flood warning that's been issued in Colombia. So we're in for a real treat. They definitely did not say that on the weather map yesterday, but we're here now. Water bags, chips, water cooler. Let's get it. You ready, bro? Yeah. Chop. You ready, Chop? Oh, yeah. Push off with your feet so it don't stop us. I can push off for Yeah, it's about to get right in a second.
Shit, nigga, hey, what's that motherfucker, bro?
We gotta help him out.
Keep it tight, yeah.
We can go cruise through this bitch. Walk, hey, bro, grab. Go ahead, bro. I got you, bro.
He got stuck.
This shit is fucked up everything. Hey, everybody grab tight. Grab your string tight.
Yeah, grab the top. Yeah, grab the string.
Tight.
That's smart, Joe.
Hold up, that's right. What the fuck, man?
You can't go that way. You gotta follow the road.
Man, I didn't know that damn way.
That's crazy.
What the hell you got them going this damn way for?
We got fall right.
Hold up.
Going along for the ride.
I told God I got them going
along for the ride.
All right, we good now. We good. All right. Hi, man. We in here. Mark went through hell back there. Yeah, he do. We finally,
So,
as you see,
what the fuck is you doing? Just roll.
you see, we got it going though, man. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Hold on.
Hey, I had that bitch in camera too. I got that on camera.
Well, you lost the blender now. I know you did.
He had it when it came up, but I guess he just let it go. He's like, fuck it.
Yeah, I'm still tripping, man. I took a whole dip, man. I was the first one that got there go up, man. Oh, like that. It's cool, though. Nah. Chop. That's chopping up BJ right there.
Damn whites in that day.
The cooler, the strongest thing holding on.
Yeah, shoot, I should have put my stick in that bitch. Deep in this motherfucker, man. You up a little bit.
So this is where the Congaree, River, and Saluda all conjoin, and you can tell, man, the Saluda water cold, ain't it, bro?
shit ain't no cold, man.
Cold what?
Shit is not cold.
Ooh.
Grab your ass. Yeah, grab your ass. Grab your ass, bro. This is funny. Grab that nigga, bro. I got him. Grab that nigga, bro. God damn, I need you. God damn, bro.
Say what?
What part? Oh, yeah.
Hey, it won't get me this time. Fuck that shit. Oh shit. Swing. Oh, the ball. The ball.
Grab it. Yeah, he grabbed it, bro. Yeah. Grab it. Let it go. I got it.
Alright, I got it.
I got it.
Man, so we finally was able to stop. It could barely stop, y'all. That damn water, the current so strong. Everybody drenched. We all drenched. Crazy.
Going through the fucking. Going through the.
I told you it's gonna be.
Going through the rapids was 700 pounds.
But I was, hey, everybody, I was helping. Shit, I just couldn't
There's
keep
only so
going.
much you could do. From
Yeah,
that.
like
You
shit.
gotta lay on your belly and
Like
use your
how old?
arms and your feet.
Man.
What are the closest shot, huh?
We don't know.
That motherfucker air was started going out of his head.
I think he unplugged it on
He
that.
just unplugged it a little bit and it came out.
Man, as fuck. I'm ready to fight your
Man,
ass.
shut your black ass up. His daddy. Bars is sort of swinging.
I don't care. I'm looking hot as hell right now.
We still got on.
Shout out to Aquaman, man. Literal Aquaman. He pulled us through the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? Brooks.
I left them high and dry.
We made it though, bro.
Yeah,
We got a good little camping spot. There go my helmet. Here's the river. This the Broad River right here? Congaree?
This is the confluence.
Confluence.
The confluence of the Broad River and the Saluda.
Word. That's where they all.
It turns into the Congaree down there.
Look right there where it changes colors.
Oh yeah, you can see where it turns colors. And temperatures too. That water is cold. Broad River warm and Saluda is freezing.
No, I was feeling shit.
Every time I try, I just hit the brake. And there's always a couple trying to take your place. But I never fall in love.
Walk over there, cut the steak.
Hey yo, real talk though, this island dope as shit. Y'all should go take a fucking gander around, go walk around.
Me and Joe did last time.
It's pretty, dude.
I'll go at night with the fucking headlamp.
Yeah, it's pretty, bro. Man, we gotta cook our food in there.
It was light. I'll read it.
How long you been doing? How long you been doing this, man?
His whole fucking life. What do you
Yeah,
mean?
my whole life. That's why he liked it.
I used to hate my girlfriend, so I'd go to the river every day instead of home.
Look at Aquaman, y'all. My boy Ty, man. That's right.
Come up here and look. It's better.
Chop, get out of there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just like that, Joe.
And homeboy shooting about to fuck them all up.
It's all right. Yeah, you know you here. It's all right though. I ain't feel like it.
Taking a break from walking. We've been seeing so much of this island, man. This is crazy out here on the river. You wouldn't even expect it so much. Like, little Amazon out here. We made it back to camp after I hiked through this whole little island on the river. Now it's time for my boy Brooks, Chef Boy RB, to get on the A. And we looked up and found some grapes, man. Time to eat. We use smoky bird gang.
Everybody fell off that boat at least one time.
You're going in
Yeah,
there.
test, you know. But their boats are made to flip over. They're kayaks. They don't.
Have you seen that? Oh, baby. Rapids and they'll
Flip.
dump themselves.
That's what I was telling you. Yeah, they like to do that.
I seen it when he had to come out of it. I'm not doing that shit.
Hell no.
Fuck out of here.
Motherfucker came, the motherfucker went right back down.
Yeah, he ain't playing.
When they got up here to come up top of it, I was listening to other people. They
He
looked
did it like that.
going over there.
He had to goddamn.
You done changed the battery, you have. Yeah. You got my boy Joe sleep, man. We out here in this goddamn wilderness, my boy.
Y'all can shoot all you want to.
Shoot! They ain't buying no more fucking bullets, man, see? What my boy Chop at? Goddamn Chop. I'm looking for Chop. He right the fuck there.
His brother, we were out there. We tape a quarter to the.
Bro, that's what I was gonna bring though. My oil and shit for the gun, just so we out here. I started to burn it. Started to burn. You see you on that river, boy. I got to get you one of these things, boy. I swear I do. Look.
It's going down.
You bite your finger? It's hot. Spicy. Yeah, spicy meatball. I like that.
So, tomorrow we're supposed to be floating a couple hours back down to where we parked the car at, but it's only one problem. We have a flat float. Honestly, two of them, but this one's holding a little better air, but it's not my float, it's Jordan float, but fucked.
And everything past here, right there, is called the rock garden.
That's a lot of rock. Yeah.
But you go all the way over, and there's this way to go in and out of them.
Yeah.
Or you can go all the way over and go down bypass.
I'm about to get that fucking boat. Hey, so you think while the river just low, it'll still take a big boat? It'll still be out
Switched
here.
it up.
Have a big enough motor boat to get up here.
Okay, yeah.
Just to get
not
it
like
up.
Unc though. I'm talking about no shit like Unc got.
Yeah,
You gotta have something like that guy. Like,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're good.
What you gonna use to fix it?
Pine sap.
So now pine sap to fix the hole.
Out here where the beavers ate it.
Yeah, we finna
But we gotta heat it up. I don't want to get it too hot. Just get it sticky so it'll make like a paste.
and then you just cover the hole with it.
And then right when you get it little pasty, and then right when it cooks, and hopefully it stays. Hey, sticky. It gets hard too quick.
Yes, yeah.
ready to do the fucking job, boy. Let that shit out there get hard, and it's over with.
I hope. But it's kind of sticking though.
Oh shit.
I don't know what's gonna happen when it gets
with the hole,
air in
though,
it.
you getting into the hole. That's what you trying to see. I'm talking right here with us.
Aunt done found some damn bones.
Leaves, twigs, bark, roots, trees, shrubs, as well as aquatic plants.
There's a bunch of that here. We can. What I say, we gotta
I've been
shoot
waiting
him
for
with
you
the bow.
to shoot a beaver for a long time. You got a bow and arrow.
We're gonna shoot him with the bow and arrow, but
And
we
then
gotta
reel
call
it
him
back
in
in.
with the paddle. We're gonna call him in with the paddle.
You have to go down and
Do the
beaver slap.
Telling you, I can do it right now.
What are you waiting for?
I don't want to run him off. We're not ready.
When are we
I got a
ready?
gun. There's
gonna
multiple
float down the
guns
river.
here.
Right.
Float down the damn river. Well, we'll wait for him to. We got to have the net. The net. We got to get the net. Somebody's got to jump in, catch him with the net after somebody shoots him, and then swim back. I'll drive the boat and then swim back. Right. Or throw him in the boat. You float down, and end up right here.
Joe, what's up then, Joe?
Yeah.
You tired, man. I know you on with the shits.
That boy ain't got no more energy.
Yeah, that's where this is true. I was fucking with you. This is for real. He's right. That's across right there is where they shot the state house with the straight up, like no bullshit.
For real?
Used to go hang out at.
So Larry, my buddy, ex-friend Larry was a surveyor, and he did a lot of surveying around here. And over there, and I don't know where because he ain't allowed to tell anybody. There's a cannonball that's in the tree, and it's like it's marked on the historical register, and you're not allowed to fuck with it.
So
that used to be a bridge,
There's actually a coffers dam.
and we blew it up. The Confederate Army, we blew it up so the Union,
Wouldn't take it over.
yeah,
We were so they blew it up. So those rapids aren't natural. That's why they're all fucked up.
yeah, that's why it is the way that it is.
And they're sitting there too, like
They blew up that motherfucker so we couldn't get invaded.
crazy.
circle. Then the tree dies. Whatever, rotten or whatever. And then they keep chewing it, and then it falls.
So did y'all know that beavers are the second most destructive animal on the planet? That's crazy. I didn't know that they can change the course of rivers and everything.
Yep.
All type of shit. Oh yeah.
We need his ass. Well, I done got back hungry. We need him to come.
You not to bring the
Damn, you
fucking
got good
fish.
ears, bro. How'd you hear that shit?
I heard them too.
What?
Yeah.
God damn, I'm old as fuck.
The people on them kayaks. So yeah, it's a lot of history out here on Broad River, the Congaree River, and you know, the Saluda
I
River.
recommend a little bit
Whole
bigger.
bunch of stuff that I ain't know about. There you go. Got the burgers.
What you on there, man?
Burgers and beer.
Not in that time.